Davis. Good job.
Zoe's eating bananas off of her high church tray, but they're very, very slimy and kind of elusive. And now we have bananas all over. Whee! We did forget to put down the tarp, didn't we? Now we're eating, so we should get a special tarp. Zoe, show us how you eat bananas. This is fascinating. Alright. Mommy will then... Mommy will then give you a bigger piece. Let's see, how about this one? Can you get that one in? Good girl. I love the open mouth in anticipation for the food. Distracted? Slightly. Where'd your piece go? Is it over here? Is that it? No?